everyone, and welcome back to FAQs. Christopher Joyce here, and today I'm the sensei of shipping. We're going to answer all your questions about online orders and shipping. So first, let's place an order. Come with me. First, head over to our website, scrubdaddy.com/shop, and let the fun begin. Now let's see, it's summertime, so I think we're going to search for something fun, maybe a towel. Let's see what comes up. Oh, damp duster towel, limited edition sports towel. No, that's not fun. How about a Scrub Daddy Surfer Beach towel? Add that to the cart. There we go. All right, let's do, thinking summer. Oh, I know. We have these really cool floaties, pool floaties. Let's see if that pops up. There we go. Scrub Daddy Pool Float. Add that to the cart. There we go. All right. Now we have two things added to our cart, and then you're gonna go down and you're gonna pay how you wanna pay. So you're gonna check out. All right, next you just need to put in your billing and shipping information. And then, oh, I just remembered. Got a coupon code? Sweet. There's a spot to add it right here for an instant discount. Now, choose how you wanna pay, credit card or PayPal, both work. We're using a credit card this time. All right, so we'll plug in the details and then we're going to hit, where are we here? Place order, boom, done. And that's it, you're all set. You're getting order confirmation with your order number, and we'll also email you everything that you need to know. Want to track your order? Just open the email we sent, click track, and use your phone number or email to get updates in real time from the UPS website. Quick heads up, tracking updates come straight from UPS, not from us at Scrub Daddy. If you didn't know, the warehouse is right behind our studios where we tape our FAQ videos. And it is here where if you've got questions about shipping or your orders, we've got the answers for you. Let's break everything down in a simple, easy to follow way. Let's grab our vest and head to the warehouse. Oh, but before we go, don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on new Scrub Daddy content. So first up, you might be asking, where do we ship to? Well, we currently ship across the US, including Hawaii, Alaska, and Puerto Rico. Plus, we ship internationally to Canada. We're also planning to expand to more countries soon, so subscribe to us for updates. A quick note on our return policy. All sales are final, and we do not accept returns. If you need to cancel, reach out to our customer service team's email, support@scrubdaddy.com. And if it's not too far along in the process, we will do our best to accommodate your request. Being that the process happens so quickly, sometimes it's not possible to stop your order. Looks like my towel and floaty are ready to go in a box for shipping. So let's bring in Nicole to see what they do to get your products in that Scrub Daddy box. Hi, Nicole.
Hey, how are you?
All right, so how does this process work?
So once you place your order, we will come into our system here and we will print out the order.
Okay.
It'll pop right out here.
And that's the label that's going to go on top
That
of
is
the
the
box?
label that will go inside the box, and on top of the box, we will check the boxes, make sure everything inside of it is correct, and then we will tape it up, put it on the pallet, and then we will ship it out.
There you go. Where do we go from here?
We will grab our box and grab the items and pack it up.
Got it. All right.
And we need a pull float and a beach towel.
A
Pull float is over here.
Okay.
We'll go right here.
Fun.
Pull float.
Good order.
And then with the pull float, need a beach towel.
Of course. There you go. Another good item.
And that completes the order.
This is a fun order.
It is a very fun order. Then we will pack it.
Yep.
And then close the box.
Score it down.
Yep, score it down a little bit.
Yep.
And then we need a stamper. Stamp it, make sure it's accurate. Pull float, beach towel. Rip it off.
Put it in the box.
Put it in the box so you know what you ordered. Tape it up. Give it a little love. And then we will label it. Perfect.
All right, so we've labeled, it's ready to go. Where does it go from here?
It will go on the pallet.
All right, let's go. So Nicole, were all these packed today?
Yes, all these are packed today.
And they'll go out today?
They will go out today,
How about
absolutely.
that? Excellent. What is the rest of the process and how long will it take?
So roughly around 4 o'clock, UPS will come and pick up.
Right.
And we will load them up and they will be on their way with all of the pallets we've completed today.
And then it's on UPS or USPS?
Absolutely.
So the pallet, the whole pallet's picked up and
Yep.
put on the truck?
Absolutely, yep. Everything is wrapped up all together and
Cool.
just on it goes.
And then from there they just barcodes and...
Yep, the magic,
Oh,
the
there
magic
you go.
happens.
The magic happens. Excellent. Thank you, Nicole. This was really interesting.
Yes,
Learned a
you're
lot.
you're so
Appreciate it.
welcome. I appreciate you coming and everyone needs to know the process. It's good to know,
Thank
absolutely.
you.
If your tracking information shows your order was delivered, but you didn't receive it, please keep in mind that Scrub Daddy isn't responsible for lost or stolen packages once delivery has been confirmed to the address you provided. Some of you may want to know if we notify you when your package has been delivered. Unfortunately, we don't send those types of notifications. However, you can sign up for delivery updates through the carrier's website. And if you use the tracking number we send to you, you can track your package all the way to your door. If your package doesn't arrive or you receive the wrong items, don't panic. Just reach out to our customer service team within 15 days of delivery. After that, the window has shut. In case your USPS tracking info hasn't updated in a few days, rest assured your package is still in transit. USPS doesn't always provide real-time updates, but it should get to you. Now, let's get out of the warehouse and go into our Smile Shop to see our latest products. To check your order history, simply log into scrubdaddy.com/myaccount. There, you can view all your past orders. If you didn't create an account during checkout, you won't be able to access this info unless you do so in the future. And lastly, if you're looking to get a Scrub Daddy t-shirt or any of these cool exclusive items, head over to this wonderful Smile Shop located in Pennsauken, New Jersey, or check us out online. Link is in the description below. But if you do come and visit our shop in person, you could win your very own Scrub Daddy in the claw machine.
You're going down, claw machine. Try to get that orange one back there. Come to Papa.
And that's all the shipping info you need. If you've got any more questions, feel free to check out our website or contact customer service for your specific inquiry. You could also drop a question in the comments below and we'll do our best to answer them as fast as we can. Once again, I'm Christopher Joyce and thanks for watching, and remember to clean with a smile. And if you'll excuse me, I have a Scrub Daddy to catch. I'm coming for you, claw machine. And go. Yes. If you're looking to get a Scrub Daddy t-shirt, a t-shirt.